Hello, hello, hello,
Hi.
and welcome.
Welcome.
We have our drawing for our show.
Yes, we do.
Okay, and this is one of the performers, no, all of you saw the show, so you know, Josie.
No, yeah.
All right, so Josie is going to move them around a bit and then pick a number. Okay.
The number is 3.
3. Okay, we've got 3, and we're going to put a pause on this because I forgot the computer. Okay, so I've got the computer here. She picked number 3, and this is 1, 2, 3. It's Bill. Bill, you are the winner.
Congrats.
Okay, congratulations, Bill. Bill did take lessons before, so now this is like a little nudge to get him back.
Oh,
yay, Bill. Now also we need to give a shout out to Greg Cummins, who is on the film Bosch. He's an actor there, he's one of the detectives. So we have a shout out. He has bought the first ticket on all of our 3 shows that have been online. So
Wow.
Greg, we love you. Yay, Greg.
Thanks, Greg.
And I gotta give a thank you to my friend who bought a ticket too. Sonia, thank you for my bracelet. I'm a loving.
Ooh, very pretty.
Okay, so now, Josie, for the teenagers, for the moms of teens, any advice about the kids going through this time that you can give?
Well, I actually do have some. Always stay busy and stay active. Do everything you can. That's why voice lessons are such a good option, because it's something you can be passionate about and have fun with. And, there's no good being bored, so you might as well try everything you can.
So true. You've got to keep yourself moving.
Yes.
And we always say, do the things you love.
Do the things you
Yeah,
love.
love what you do and do the things you love.
Yes.
There you go. Okay, so we're going to leave you now. Thank you so much for coming to our show. We so appreciate you. Can't do it without you, huh?
Can't do it without the audience.